Happening, y'all. I know I hadn't uploaded in a bit, but I was able to get a day off from work. Got a day off, and today we're gonna be out here. We're just gonna go out here and try to catch some fish. Oh, there's one. That's one way to start the video. There we go. Finally smacked the far out of it. There we go. This is my ideal species right here. We're gonna go after some rainbow trout. Let's bring them over here. Put pliers on them. Get a sweet release. Where'd my pliers go? Damn it, they're in the bag. All right, come on. There we go. Wish I had a cooler to keep them in. I'd take them home and eat them. But just out here fun fishing. Don't tell me I forgot my pliers. Wow, nope, they're right here. I remember. They're in my hoodie pocket. There we go. Slimy sons of guns. This time they actually got the whole treble. Oh, there he is. All right. They're able to counteract that and be able to bring in some bigger fish. I think this place would be really booming. I think we'd be able to. God! I saw my line taking off. That was cool. Oh, come on. All right, we're gonna bring you over here, buddy. Look at that one. Is that a brown? No, that's a rainbow. It got a lot of spots on them. Put you back in the water right quick. Oh, we'll take a picture of you and. All right. Man, I love these fish. Other than smallmouth and like, I can't think of anything else that fights as hard as a trout. These guys right here are so vicious and they're so territorial to other fish that they'll eat out the forage before anything else can. There he is. There he goes. Still thinks he's hooked. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, has been me and my dad's killer. Like my dad's mainly killer rooster tail. That just black and gold. Just, I don't know why, he always catches the damn fish. He's caught in a giant, he caught a 6.5 or 7 pound rainbow here not too long ago, or came up and ate it. I saw him. I don't know how he didn't get hooked. Cool. There he goes. There he is. Good fish. Good fish. God almighty. That's a good one. Good trout. Get a good picture of him. We're going to send him on his merry way. Oh, damn it. Try and get a picture of him. There we go. There's one. Just change up my speed, and that's a pretty decent one right there. That's a good one. God, I can see one almost 2 times bigger than him. Beautiful rainbow. Beautiful fish. That thing. Ooh, ooh. They do not want to listen. They ever cooperate? Hell no. But I can tell you one thing, these are fun to catch. Oh, there we go. That's a fat. Oh, damn. Why don't you listen to me? Son of a bitch. There we go. Alright, at least. No picture then. There's one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. God almighty. That is a giant. Or, you know, a fish hooked in the tail. I thought that was a big one. Nope, just hooked in the damn tail. I thought I had a big one. Nope. Another beautiful rainbow trout. I'm getting pretty close to my double digit mark. I think I'm on 6 or 7. Look at all the trout. God, man. I don't know, guy. I see you. There's another one. God. That's a big one. That's the biggest one of the day so far. That is a good one. Oh yeah, that's definitely the biggest one so far. By far. That's one of the big ones I've been seeing. Quit rolling around. There we go. Oh, don't you do that. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Perfect. That is a beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Beautiful fish. Off he goes. That's how it's done. Awesome. I think we found the color of choice. All right. What do we got here? Did we get a muskie? We got a muskie. Yeah. We got ourselves a muskie. Muskie or a... I think that's a muskie. That's definitely Small muskie. Oh yeah. Slimy little critters, aren't they? Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I don't know if it's a muskie or not. Muskie or a small little pike. I don't think pike live down this far south, but come on, open up your mouth. I need my hook. Yeah, there we go. He ate it too, he's wanting it. Oh shit, buddy. There we go. There he goes. All right, multi-species. That's what we did today. Multi-species. This is the lowest I've ever seen it because that drainage pipe right there usually pumps out some water. Oh, I seen him. He came up. He wanted to get it. He was after it now. God, there he is. Woo! That's what we're after there, ladies and gentlemen. Right there, that's a good fish. Crushed it too. Ain't try. Oh, come on. Right there is a beautiful rainbow trout. Woo. Let's go. Woo. Damn. Got out of my hands. Trying to get him released back in here. There he is. Oh my God. Look at that trout. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that thing. That is a giant. Let it please stay up. Oh my God. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, easy. Look at it. It's got a hook to it. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah. Yes. Easy, big boy. I'll get you back in the water. Easy. pump those trout. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That right there is a stud of a rainbow. Beautiful hook jaw. Just an absolute beast. We're gonna get a picture of her. We're gonna give her. Ooh, that thing nearly bit me. I don't want to get bit by the jaws on this thing. God, it's so strong. There we go. We're gonna get pictures of her. We're gonna get a release on her. That right there is my PB trout. Yes, sir. That is a big old trout. That's my personal best right there. Awesome. On the old. On the old black road, baby. Hopefully y'all folks saw that. That was awesome. I caught that big old trout on this little buddy right here though. Good rooster tail, about 1/8 ounce. Yeah, 1/8 ounce rooster tail. Caught it on the Dival Crossfire. I was able to purchase this at Rocks. And I'm using 8-pound fluorocarbon. Doesn't really matter what kind you use. This Dival Crossfire combo is perfect. It's a perfect trout rod and everything else like that. If you go pick this one up, you will not be disappointed. Go check these out on Rocks Outfitters and check out their new website, rocksoutfitters.com. Everything's been updated. You'll be able to see what they have in stock for right now. They got half the inventory's on the website. Be able to check all the fishing stuff that we got, all that good stuff. Maybe we can catch another big old stinking rainbow. Alright, so we're going to end the day here. That's one way to end an epic day like that, catching a lot of fish, and ended up catching my PB trout. That's one hell of a day, and hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. I certainly did. I was just going to come out here and have fun. Didn't expect me to catch a damn giant rainbow. And hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below what I should do next on my next video. Hopefully I can upload quicker. And be sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. See you later.